Hello there. We mwega. Ndakonyita ogeni. That means welcome. Welcome to Darasa, where learning is made easy. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro. I am your Kikuyu language teacher. And we are learning the third form of past tense for the first person, which is me or I. We said that there are 4 forms of past tenses in Kikuyu. The first one we said, a sentence can tell you if something happened a few moments ago, or earlier today, or yesterday, or a long time ago. 4. And we've already done the first one and the second one. Now we are at the third one. How do you know that something happened yesterday? Yesterday. So here the rule is at the end of the verb you add, or you make sure it ends with re, re. Why am I thinking in English? I'm teaching Kikuyu. So re. You start with day. N-D-A. Day. 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 And then after day, you either add ra, re, or ro. So dera, dere, dero. Example, let's use the same example we did in the first 2, which is about waking up, taking a shower, taking tea, and then going to work. So the first sentence was waking up in the morning. So, or waking up. So if it is yesterday, I woke up yesterday. We'll say dera kerire. Okay, first, yesterday in Kikuyu is called ira. 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 Let's say ira. Ira. Perfect. So, yesterday is ira. Ira. You can start with ira dera. Ira dera. But it's unnecessary to say yesterday I did. Just as in English, you can say I woke up. So, we say dero kerire. Dero kerire. Rosine. Dero kerire. Dero kerire. Let's say that. Dero kerire. Rosine. I woke up in the morning. So, if you want to start with yesterday, you can say ira dero kerire rosine. Ira dero kerire rosine. Ira dero kerire rosine. Yesterday I woke up in the morning. The next sentence was taking a shower with hot water, right? Dereda bire. Dereda bire. I took a shower or I bathed. Dereda bire. Na mai mahio. Yeah? Dereda bire. Na mai mahio. Then we go on taking tea. I took tea. We'll say dera nyuire sai. Dera nyuire sai. Dera nyuire sai. Let's say that. Ndiranyuire cai. Ndiranyuire cai. Then I came to work, right? Or I went to work. So we'd say ndiracokire. Ndirathie wĩra. Then I went to work. Ndiracokire. Ndiracokire. Ndirathie wĩra. Again. Ndiracokire. Ndirathie wĩra. Again. Ndiracokire. Ndirathie wĩra. So, let me tell you something else. That rule that I gave a few seconds ago or a few minutes ago applies if you're saying one sentence. 1, 1, 1. But if you want to say it in a paragraph, if you want to say it in a paragraph or as a paragraph, you say ira ndirokirire rucini. Ndirethamba na mai mahiũ. Ndirethamba na mai mahiũ. Ndiranyua cai. Ndiracoka ndirathie wĩra. So, the rule that every verb must end with re will only apply if you are saying one sentence. 1, 1, and 1. But in a paragraph, you can always say what? Dira, dira. You don't have to end your verb with re. So you say ndirokirire rucini. I woke up in the morning, maybe yesterday. Ndirethamba. Now it starts ending with a. But the first rule is there. Ndirethamba na mai mahiũ. Ndiranyua cai. Ndiracoka ndirathie wĩra. The next example was about what? Going to the shop, meeting Kimani, and then reaching his message to your parents, your mom or your dad, right? Okay, so we said going to the shop, yeah? If you want to say you went to the shop yesterday, you went to the shop yesterday, you say, you can start with yesterday, I did. So, ira, we said yesterday is ira. Ira, ndirathire duka. Let's say that. Ira, ndirathire duka. Ira, ndirathire duka. Yesterday I went to the shop. Ndiracemanirie na Kimani. You can say ira ndiracemanirie na Kimani. So let's say ndiracemanirie na Kimani. Ndiracemanirie na Kimani. Yes. Aranjĩra. Or you can start with aranjĩrire. Aranjĩrire. Ngwĩre. Ũmũhũrĩre thimũ. Aranjĩrire. Aranjĩrire. Kimani ira. Yesterday Kimani told me. Arajerire gwire umuhurire thimu. Arajerire gwire umuhurire thimu. He told me to tell you to call him. Yesterday, Kimani sent me yesterday. Okay? And again, remember, you don't have to apply all rules in all the sentences if you are using them in a paragraph. Okay? Or you could say, Ira ndirathire nduka ndirasemania na Kimani aranjira ngwire umuhurire thimu. Ira ndirathire nduka ndirasemania na Kimani aranjira ngwire umuhurire thimu. So again, the only rule that is not applying here is ending your verb with re. You're ending it now with a. Ira ndirathire nduka ndirasemania na Kimani aranjira ngwire umuhurire thimu. So, the only way you can know if someone is talking about yesterday, the biggest tell is dera, dere, the first words, dere, dere, dera. Are we together? Please make sure you practice at home these things. And if you do not understand anything, comment down below in our comment box. We will definitely get back to you. I am Rebecca. See you on the next segment where I'll teach you the first person and what happened a long time ago. The past tense for a long time ago. See ya.